Hi, I'm Zoe from Miss Shuey's 4th grade class in Peach Pod, and this is my dad.
And we run Zach and Zoe Adventures, and we make this magazine. And one of the other things that we do is we partner with somebody who runs high-altitude weather balloon launches. And what that means is that we get to send up experiments to the edge of space, about 100,000 feet in the air, and our experiments will be pulled up by a big balloon inside a little payload box. Zoe, tell them more about the payload and the size of their experiments.
So, the payload box will fit our whole class and pretty much everyone who's going to be going up to space. And your experiment has to fit in this little capsule. And then you have to you can't have any liquids unless you find something smaller than the capsule to send up the liquid in. You would want to find two things that are almost identical to go inside your little payload box or your little capsule. You want to find the closest to identical things so you can keep one on the ground and one go up in space and down.
That's exactly right. So these are marshmallows from Lucky Charms. This is something that you could do, but what Zoe was talking about is that one will stay in your kitchen until the experiment's over, and that is our control group, because this one won't change while it stays in your kitchen. But this one will go inside your capsule, and it will get launched to the edge of space, and then Zoe and I will return these to your teachers so that you can then bring them home, take it out, and then compare what the differences are with the one that went up to the edge of space and the one that stayed in your kitchen.
You can also use things like from this P3 pack, like cheddar cheese, almonds, or turkey.
Or cutie orange slices, or even some slime. Zoe loves the slime.
I like slime.
Again, no liquids, and Miss Shuey has sent out a whole list of ideas that you can use, but we would also love it if you were creative and thought of something that would be a cool experiment to send up to the edge of space that isn't on the list.
I just want to say, last year the orange worked pretty well.
There's quite a few things that have worked really well. So, you will need to bring in one item to your class, or your teachers would tell you, maybe you're bringing in two and leaving it in class since we get back in class. Your teachers will let you know, and we will be collecting them Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Students don't have school on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, you guys will be bringing those in. So pay attention to what your teachers tell you about our edge of space, high altitude weather balloon launch mission.
There's also things that don't work as well as, well, let's say marshmallows or cutie oranges, which are mostly hard things.
Don't need to send up any coins, nuts and bolts, hard things that won't change if they go through the atmosphere. And that'll be part of the lessons that you're learning.
For example, pencil lead.
All right, so that's the end of our video. You guys keep paying attention to your teachers for this experiment. We're super excited to be doing this with Peach Pod again. We'll see you soon.
Bye.